Here's some of the job profiles for biomedical engineers in India. Medical equipment technician. In this role, biomedical engineers work in hospitals, clinics, and medical equipment manufacturing companies. They are responsible for the maintenance, calibration, and repair of various medical devices and equipment, such as MRI machines, X-ray machines, ultrasound equipment, and more. Their expertise ensures that these devices function accurately and safely. Biomedical Researcher. Biomedical engineers engaged in research focus on advancing medical technology and developing new healthcare solutions. They conduct experiments, analyze data, and collaborate with medical professionals to design and improve medical devices, diagnostic tools, and treatment methods. Their work aims to enhance healthcare practices and patient outcomes. Clinical Engineer. Clinical engineers work directly with healthcare professionals in hospitals and medical facilities. They are responsible for the selection, installation, and proper use of medical equipment. They also conduct training for medical staff on using the devices correctly and troubleshoot technical issues when they arise. Bioinformatics Specialist. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that involves analyzing and interpreting biological data using computational methods. Biomedical engineers working as bioinformatics specialists apply their knowledge of biology, computer science, and statistics to process and analyze genetic, genomic, and other biomedical data for research purposes or to assist in diagnosing diseases. Rehabilitation Engineer. Rehabilitation engineers focus on developing and designing assistive devices and technologies to improve the quality of life for people with disabilities. They work closely with physical therapists, occupational therapists, and patients to create customized solutions that aid in mobility, communication, and other functional aspects. Regulatory Affairs Specialist. In this role, biomedical engineers ensure that medical devices and equipment comply with regulatory standards set by government agencies. They are involved in the process of obtaining necessary approvals and certifications to market and distribute medical products in India or internationally. Sales and Support Engineer. These biomedical engineers work for medical equipment manufacturers or suppliers. They provide technical support to healthcare institutions, train medical staff on using the products effectively, and may be involved in sales and product promotion activities. Quality Assurance Engineer. Quality assurance engineers in the biomedical field ensure that medical devices and equipment meet strict quality standards. They perform testing and inspections, maintain documentation, and implement quality control processes to ensure the safety and reliability of the products. Biomechanics Engineer. Biomechanics engineers study the mechanical aspects of biological systems, such as human movement and tissue mechanics. They apply this knowledge in medical research and product development, such as designing prosthetics, orthotics, and implants. These are just some of the job profiles available for biomedical engineers in India. The field of biomedical engineering is diverse and continually evolving, offering various opportunities for professionals to contribute to the advancement of healthcare technology and patient care.